Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss hydraulic pneumatics subject fluid power control. Valve. So the this learning objective of our lectures to understand the check valve design and working pivoted operated type and its applications in the fluid circuit to learn merits and demerits of operated direction control valve, to understand shutter valve and its working and application. Learning outcomes at the end of the session, students know about the check valve design and working a pivot operated type and its application in fluid circuit. Also, student can understand merits and demerits of operated direction control valve. They know shutter valve and its working and application. So see, this is check valve. Check valve are available commercially in the following design. We can see here check valve, threaded connection. See here threaded connection, subplate mounting, flange mounting, Manford mounting, and sandwich plate valve. So see a standard design variation, pivot operated check valve, pivot to open check valve, pivot to close check valve. Pilot lines are hydraulic pneumatics line used for control purpose as when required. Please note pilot lines are designed with X, Y, Z and dash line of the fluid power circuit. Pilot to open check valve. Pilot to open check valve is shown in figure. This is circuit of this left right. When there is no pilot signal, no fluid pressure is applied. The pilot to open check valve act like a ordinary check valve that is allowing flow in one direction but block the flow in the opposite direction. See here, like that. Port A and port B, but block the pivot valve here and in this direction. When there is pivot signal, sufficient fluid pressure is applied, the check valve is held open, thereby allowing flow in both directions. In this way, sufficient pressure is applied. Then pivot port, and we have used both port A, port B, and pivot port. So pivot to open check valve. Pilot to open check valve. See the circuit show pilot to open check application pre-fog circuit. In one position of DCV, pressure build up on piston end of CYL. Then only check valve allow flow in reverse direction. When pump flow stops suddenly, the CYL will hold as reverse flow is stopped. This is circuit for this. We can see here. In this diagram, we can observe when pressure behind poppet is low enough, the pivot piston pushes the main poppet off the seat, allowing full flow in the reverse direction. See here, decomposing poppet unless allowing pressure to drop. Pressure moves piston partially forward. So pilot to close check valve. Figure show the graphic symbol used to represent the pilot to close check valve. Pilot to close check valve, left to right. When there is no pilot signal, pilot to close check valve act like ordinary check valve that is allowing flow in one direction, left to right, but block the flow in opposite direction. When there is a pilot signal, the check valve is held closed completely, thereby no flow in the both direction. This type of valve is less commonly used. Pilot to cross check valve. This as this as an auxiliary port for reverse free flow. They are commonly used in accumulator circuit where for safety reasons automatic emptying is desired. No pilot pressure drain, pilot pressure out, in. Pilot pressure drain, pilot pressure in, out, no flow, either direction. Pilot to flow check valve, the circuit shows the pilot to flow check valve application. When pump on pilot pressure cross check valve, when pump off check valve open. In this way, merit and demerit of puppet valve. See here, this is circuit. This is circuit. When pump on, pilot pressure crosses check valve. See here, pump on. Here, this is check valve. This is open. When pump off, check valve open. See here. This is when pump on, pivot pressure closes the check valve. Pivot pressure closes the check valve. This see here. Pivot pressure closes the check valve. Here, open the pressure. See pivot pressure and then pivot pressure. Merit and demerit of puppet valve. Merit, a puppet valve has following merit: virtually zero leakage in closed position. Puppet element do not stick even when left under pressure for long periods. Fast and consistent response time, typically 15 minutes. Demerits, a puppet valve has the following demerits: axial pressure balance is impossible and considerable force may be needed to open the puppet against the flow at high pressure. This limit valve that has direct mechanical automation actuation to low flow duties. Generally, individual puppets are required for each flow path that significantly increase the complexity of multi-port valve, wrapping and super finishing of valve at cost. Shutter valve. See, shutter valve P1, P2, this is A, P1, P2, port 1, and this is A. Important features, report P1, P2A, ball sliding and body, ball sliding in a valve body. Also known as double check valve, and it is primarily used in a pneumatic device and it is rarely found in a hydraulic circuit. Shutter valve allow to alternate flow source to be connected to one branch circuit. So they have two inlet ports P1, P2 and one outlet port. Outlet A receives the flow either from P1 or P2, whichever inlet is at a higher pressure. So it is treated as a logic or valve will receive the flow either from P1 or P2. Pressure P1 is greater than that of P2 so that the ball slides to the right and allowed P1 to send flow to outlet A. Pressure P2 is greater than P1 so that the ball slides to left and allow to P2 to send flow to outlet A. So symbolically, it is represent as like that. This is shutter valve. Application single acting cylinder shutter valve. This is PR 3x2 DCV direction control valve 3x2 DCV. See here. In this circuit, we have observed single acting cylinder. See application here 3x2 DCV from here liquid coming from in this way to this port return, and this is here liquid flow in this direction like that. So here pressure is low, sorry, pressure is higher, then this side is open. In that case, if this pressure is higher, then this side is open. This is function of shutter valve. See here, same like that. Shutter valve P1, P2, pressure P1 is greater than that of P2, so that the ball slide to the right and allow P1 to send flow to outlet A. See here. Pressure P1 is higher, then ball goes to this side and close this. So fluid enters like that. In case of 2, pressure P2 is greater than that of P1. So that ball slide in here to the left and allows to P2 to send flow outlet A. This is actual photograph of shutter valve. We can see here. And this is application of single acting cylinder. We can see here. So here, in this way, we have studied the shutter valve, check valve, and shutter valve and check valve. So, and poppet valves. See here, any doubt, any queries, please ask me in these lectures. See here, pivot to close check valve. So this is the auxiliary port for reverse free flow. They are commonly used in accumulator circuit where for safety reasons automatic sorry, emptying is desired. We can see free flow, no flow either direction. This is free flow in out. This is in out, but no flow either direction, only flow in this direction. Okay. So this is circuit of the pivot cross check valve. This is merit and demerit. Virtual zero leakage is close position. Poppet element do not stick even when left under pressure for long period. Fast and consistent response time, typically 15 meters. Typically 15 minutes. demerits of puppet valve as the following demerit. Axial pressure balance is impossible and considerable force may be needed to open the puppet against the flow at a high pressure. These limit valves that have direct mechanical actuation to low flow duties. Generally, individual puppet are required for each flow path that significantly increase the complexity of multi-port valves, wrapping and super finishing of valve at cost. We know this is shutter valve. We have already studied this is very simple structure of the shutter valve. So all of you, any doubt, any queries in these lectures, please ask me. So, this is second lecture of hydraulic pneumatics. After lectures, our learning outcomes. At the end of session, student know about the stack wall design and working of pivot operated types and its application in fluid circuit. Also, student can understand merit and demerits of puppet operated direction control valve. They know shutter valve and its working and applications. In this way, we have covered all these three learning outcomes at the end of the lecture. So today we have stopped here. In third lecture, we have discussed about method of actuation to touch valve, flow control valve, pressure temperature compensated, pressure control valve. In this way, today we have stopped. Any doubt, any queries, please ask me. Thank you.